Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to create a QR code of any website using a web browser in both computer and smartphone. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So right now we'll show you in our computer firstly. So after this we'll gonna move to the smartphone. So firstly, on your computer, whether you are using a Windows computer or Mac computer or Linux computer, the tricks will remain the same. So here I'm gonna use a Microsoft Edge. So if you're using a Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, still the tricks will remain the same. So you can open or use any web browser to try this video tricks. So I'll open the Microsoft Edge web browser and I will just open one website. So there are two tricks. Once you visit some particular website, you can see an address bar above, right? So just click on this blank area and now you can see here three small icons, and on the center you will see here create QR code for this page. Once you click on it, now it will create a QR code. Even you can download this and you can just send it to your friends or relatives in any social medias. Also you can share it by after downloading these pictures also. So if they scan it, then they can find this website or visit this website directly using this QR code. So this is the first step, and the second step, you can put your mouse cursor any of on the website and just right click on it and you will get options here. You can see here create QR code for this page. Just click on it, it will show you the same options. So this is all about your creating a QR code of any website in your respective computer. Now let's jump to the smartphone. So on my smartphone, I will gonna use a Chrome web browser. So you can use any web browser similarly like the computers. So here I'm gonna use a Chrome web browser. So let me open a Chrome web browser. So you can see a particular website, right? So when you tap on this address bar, you won't get any barcode options, right? So like the computer, you can get directly a barcode or the QR code options. So what you need to do on your smartphone, you can see three dot icons on the right top corner. Just tap on it and you can see here option share, right? Just tap on this share and on the below you can see a tons of options. Just slide it down. Now you can see a QR code just near to the print. Just tap on this QR code. Now you can see a similar QR code picture, and below you can see a download options too, similarly what you saw in the computers. So you can download this picture, that is a QR code picture, and you can share it with your friends and relatives when in any website or any social media applications also. So this is the way how to create a QR code of any website using a web browser in both computer and smartphone very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.